Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet this very simple double face knit pattern. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The pattern may have one downside and that is the fringes. I tried sewing or crocheting the fringes but the edge doesn't look good. But I think scarf or blanket with fringes are too interested. The yarn I used 50% cotton yarn and 50% acrylic yarn, but you can use any yarn. Important is crochet hook. For this yarn is recommended crochet hook 5 mm, but I crocheted with 7 mm, always little bit thicker. I put first color and start with the knot stitch. And crochet for this video only 20 chain stitches, but you can more. 4, 5. $19 and $20. 1 chain stitch more, and now cut yarn and pull yarn, and now we have from here to the here 20 chain stitches. Now we crochet first row, but we crochet in these back loops, this one, and again with same color I start with a knot stitch and now yarn over through this first loop, grab yarn, crochet hook to the front and through the first loop, crochet hook to the back and through these 2 loops, and the next stitch, yarn over through this loop, grab yarn, crochet hook to the front and crochet hook to the back and through these 2 loops, and again yarn over, grab yarn to the front, to the back, yarn over, grab yarn to the front, to the back. We crochet double slip stitches. And to the back, yarn over, grab yarn to the front, to the back, and repeat to the end of row. 19 and 20, the last stitch. At the end, chain 1, cut yarn and pull yarn. It was the first row. Now turn. I put the second color, knot stitch, and second row we crochet in these back loops, this one, again yarn over through the loop, grab yarn, crochet hook to the front and to the left, to the back, and next one, yarn over, grab yarn to the front, to the back, and again repeat to the end of row. It's very easy. 18, and the last stitch is not this one but this one. I will recommend it for you for the first time crochet this pattern only with 10 stitches, that you can count the stitches and you can see where is the first and where is the last stitch. So 19 and 20, chain 1, cut yarn and pull yarn. Now next row, turn, again first color, knot stitch, and again in these back loops, yarn over, through the loop, and grab yarn to the front, to the back, and next one, yarn over, grab yarn to the front, to the back. And this is our double face knit pattern. This repeat every row the same. See you later. A few rows later, look the pattern like this. This is the first edge and here is the last row. If you want, we can crochet one row more. I start with the knot stitch and we crochet only slip stitches, but not through this loop, but through these two loops. Grab yarn and pull yarn, and next stitch, grab yarn and pull yarn. Then looks this edge better. Like this. And it was double face knit pattern. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.